So is there any way to duplicate a conversation in ChatGPT? Well, the answer is yes. You can actually copy a message in ChatGPT and you can have a new one without affecting the original message. So here's how you can do it. First, we can utilize something called branching. This is actually a new feature in ChatGPT. So let's say if I want to create a duplicate from, let's say, this section about number 3, I can click this button and then click branch in new chat. So it will open a new tab and basically I can start the conversation right from there. But you can also duplicate the entire message. So I'm going to go back to the original chat again. And basically, if you want to copy or clone the whole message, then you can click this share button and then just wait for it until it generates the link. And we are going to copy and we are going to visit the link on a new page. So just paste that right here, wait for it to open, and you'll see that this is actually a brand new conversation. So if I continue like number 6, for example, or 6, 7, something like that, it won't affect the original message. So if I, let's say, give you a comparison, I'm going to just split the view. So again, this is the original message and this is the duplicated version, and you'll see it is not affecting the original message, even though here I just insert number 6, but there is no number 6 in the original message. So yeah, that's the 2 ways you can duplicate a message in ChatGPT. You can use the branching technique or you can just share the whole document. By the way, at the moment, there is no option to duplicate or copy the message via the menu. There is no option like that. So one workaround is by using the share feature. So that's how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video.